Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that's been making waves in the world of indoor cooking, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill and air fryer. We found this fantastic product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the Ninja Foodi Smart XL? This isn't just your average indoor grill. It's an all-in-one combination of a grill and air fryer that allows you to sear, sizzle, and crisp your food to perfection right from your countertop. It boasts an innovative smart cook system that includes a built-in thermometer, providing a seamless cooking experience you won't find in many other appliances. One of the standout features is the Cyclonic Grilling Technology. This unique design allows for 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air to circulate around your food, giving it that authentic barbecue flavor we all love without the need for outdoor grills or smokers. You can achieve those beautiful sear marks that make your dishes visually appealing and delicious, all from the comfort of your kitchen. This makes it perfect for those living in apartments or for anyone who prefers smokeless indoor grilling. Speaking of cooking precision, the Smart Cook system comes equipped with a built-in thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking. With 4 protein presets and 9 doneness levels, you can easily cook everything from rare steak to well-done chicken. No more worrying about undercooked meals or the disappointment of overcooked dishes. It's designed to help you get it right every single time, making it ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL is particularly suitable for families or anyone who enjoys entertaining. With its XL capacity, the grill grate can fit up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs at once. Imagine cooking mains and sides simultaneously, perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or even tailgating. It truly shines when you're hosting friends or family, allowing you to serve up delicious meals without the hassle. But the versatility of this appliance doesn't stop at grilling. This Ninja model offers 6 different cooking functions. It grills, air crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates. If you're a fan of air fryer ovens or multi-cookers, you'll appreciate how this unit can replace multiple appliances in your kitchen. From juicy burgers to crispy wings, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL can do it all, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves cooking. In terms of practical use cases, think about those busy weeknights when you want a home-cooked meal but don't have the time. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL can help you whip up quick and healthy meals in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. You could also use it for weekend barbecues, allowing you to grill indoors regardless of the weather. It's an ideal solution for those who want to enjoy the flavors of outdoor cooking without the hassle of setting up a grill outside. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill and air fryer is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook. With its combination of smart technology, versatile cooking options, and family-sized capacity, it's designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable.